He was a simple man with great love for God, until the day he received a message from the Lord. A good Samaritan who heard the Lord's call and left it all behind to give it his all. Transitioning into a complete different path, Saint Xavier does walk in faith with open hands. Saint Francis Xavier may ride with sing your name. It is indeed a privilege to spread your holy flame. Your wisdom and virtue will always lead the way. Your mission stands strong still this very day. You touched every heart and every soul. Oh, Saint of the Lord, you make us whole. He traveled distant lands, sailed across ocean, with a tender heart filled with immense devotion. He guided the lost, assisted the weak, humbled the proud, and strengthened the meek. A man who aided everyone, the lame, deaf, and blind, Saint Francis Xavier, it certainly comes to mind. Saint Francis Xavier may ride with say your name. It is indeed a privilege to spread your holy flame. Your wisdom and virtue will always lead the way. Your mission stands strong still this very day. You touched every heart and every soul. Oh, Saint of the Lord, you make us whole. Though centuries have passed, his light remains pure. With every passing day, his love still sustains. It's truly a wonder how a single human being created in that he hasn't seen. What kept him going, nobody can understand. Saint Xavier's secret is yet unknown to man. Saint Francis Xavier may ride with say your name. It is indeed a privilege to spread your holy flame. Your wisdom and virtue will always lead the way. Your mission stands strong still this very day. You touched every heart and every soul.